on this. Let's give it a chance. As always, even with the 2021, I hate plastic on a grill and like a bumper like that. I don't even know why they do this shit. I really don't. I wish it could just be all carbon fiber. Oh yeah, this is a WRX. It's not a STI. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it looks cool. Low-key looks like a Corolla right here at this angle. Yup. That looks like a Corolla, just with 4 pipes. Yup. And then right here, low-key looks like a IS 500. Yeah, this definitely does. And the inside is pretty fair. What is these leather seats? Or is that Alcantara? It might be. Well, let's go to the drive. Let's see how this is. I know it's not going to be loud, but... So we got a huge screen in the middle, which is not really needed at all. I do wish it was faster. Man, this mess is... I mean, it's just so quiet, you get to the point where you just like, you might as well make this fucking hybrid. Like, I don't know if this is that special or what, but I mean, it's cool. You know I'm only driving this aggressively. Like this should be way louder. But like I said, I guess we can't really like complain or whatever. I mean, we have a right to complain. It's 2022 and you still making these soft ass cars. Oh no. Alright, thank you, Miles. That was I mean, that's the best as you can do, I'm pretty sure, because shit. There's not that much characteristic in that engine. It's not. It's really not. Down there, might as well get a Mazda 3, which is very quick. Yeah.